Madam, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ofatunada. I'm 29 years old. I have married. I have two children. I have experience before in Singapore 2 years. I have a job before in Singapore, take care of elderly, clean and cooking. And then I have experience also in Hong Kong 1 years half. I take care of elderly, cooking, cleaning. I can cook. Example: cook steamed fish, scrambled egg, and then steam chicken, fried rice. I'm not afraid of dog. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. I want go to Hong Kong. I want earn money for give my son. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you for watching in my video. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Bye-bye.